Hey guys, this is Amelia Sundays next to me. You won't find us drinking at the table, rolling down to staying up to 3. You won't ever find him being unfaithful. You'll find him next to me. You won't find him trying to chase the devil, for money, fame, for power, out and free. You won't ever find him where the rest go. You'll find him next to me. Next to me. Ooh, next to me. Ooh, next to me. Ooh, you'll find him next to me. When the money's spent and all my friends have vanished, and I can't seem to find no help or love for free, I know there's no need for me to panic, 'cause I'll find him next to me. When the skies are gray and all the doors are closing, and the rising pressure makes it hard to breathe, well, all I need is a hand to stop the tears from falling. I'll find him next to me. Next to me. Ooh, next to me. Ooh, next to me. Ooh, I'll find him next to me. When the end is coming, buildings start to fall fast. When we spoil the land and dry up all the sea. When everyone has lost their heads around us, you will